Good morning, DIYers. I am getting ready to replace my front suspension, with the exception of my struts in the front and my struts in the rear. I'm going to do that next summer. It's the middle of January 2026 here in the state of Colorado. I've done a bunch of work, as you can see from my YouTube channel, on my 2002 Honda CRV LX front wheel drive already. So now what I'm getting ready to do, I'm going to try to get it done in January or sometime in February, depending on the weather. The weather's been pretty good. We've gotten some snow, but not a lot. I'm going to replace my front end suspension. So let me show you some of the parts I've already purchased in December of 2025. These particular parts I bought directly from Detroit Axle, and it came in a kit, and I spent about $150 for the complete kit that I'm going to replace. Okay, so let me show you the parts I have. So this is the inner tie rod that's I'm going to be replacing. So I got two of these in the kit. Okay, the inner tie rod. And we'll be replacing those. We have, let me get this back in here. We also have, let's see, lower control arms that I'll be replacing. There's two of them that came with the kit. These are the lower control arms. So as you can see, brand new from Detroit Axle. I'm not sure if there's a right and a left. I'll figure that out once I start putting it on the vehicle, but I've watched enough videos. So brand new control arms, lower control arms for the front suspension. There's two of them. We also have, let's see what else we have in here. We've got the ball joints that are going to be replaced. Lower ball joints. So we'll be replacing the lower ball joints. Brand new ring as well. And I don't think I'll be filling it with any grease. We'll see. I might not. For the top portion of it. We also have, let's see what else came with this kit. We've got outer tie rods. So these are the outer tie rods that come with the kit. Outer tie rods. Okay. This comes with the kit as well. And let's see, last but not least, we have the sway bars that come with the kit as well. So these are sway bars. Like I said, the entire kit was about $150 from Detroit Axle. Okay. It also came with these boots that I'm not going to use because the boots aren't necessary. So the kit does come with these boots. I'm going to keep the boots, but they're not necessary for the tie rods on my second generation. So that's what they came with. At least the 2002. Might go on the EX 2003, 2000 through 2006. I'm not sure. But oh, and the last thing, my bearings. I'm going to be replacing my front bearings. So yeah, here's my bearings. I'll be replacing my front wheel bearings. So I got two of those. So pretty excited about it. Just wanted to share my parts with you. And, you know, as we continue to move forward with the 2002 Honda CRV LX front wheel drive, it's going to become my daily driver. All right. I'm out, good people. Peace. Okay, also DIYers, I will be replacing my front axles on the driver's side and the passenger side. I purchased these front axles from, what is it, Max Performance Rods since 2006. I got them off of eBay. Paid about almost $300 for my front axles. Pretty good ones. So let me show you. I will be replacing my front axles as well. Let me get that up. So this is a brand new front axle. It's going to be replaced as well. So looking forward to that. Like I said, brand new front axle for the front passenger side and the front driver's side. So yeah, about to get busy. Okay, DIYers. Also DIYers, I'm going to be replacing my front hub assembly with the new bearings for the front. So let me open this up. You can check it out. See, there's two of them for the front hub assembly, and paid about $100 for these. And here it is. So this is the front hub assembly. Let me take it out. They're gonna be brand new, and I'll be replacing my front hub assembly for my 2002 Honda CRX LX front wheel drive. So brand new hub assembly, got two of them. Okay. All right, DIYers.